The following segment is sponsored by Ward MD and Form Derm Spa. I am here chatting with Dr. Iorio and Dr. Powers. Great to see you both.
You as well.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here. Okay, we're going to talk all things skincare. Let's start with, why should we be investing in our skin? I mean, it might seem like an obvious reason, but why do you think?
So you invest in your car, you invest in your clothes. A lot of people spend a lot of money on their clothes in their car because they want to look nice, feel nice. Why not do the same thing for your skin? It's going to stay with you for the rest of your life, more so and even longer than any clothes or cars that you'll have. So why not invest in it as well?
That's a very good point. Now, what age should we start investing in our skin?
So the sad but truth is you start to see changes in your skin around in your 20s. So you should actually start using a night cream and different products starting in your 20s. And then now we're talking more about prevention. So less about changing the way your face looks as you age, but preventing the aging process from beginning. So the earlier you start, the more on top of it you'll be. So I would say your 20s. And your 30s is when we start saying to looking into more Botox and neurotoxin type treatments.
Okay, so 20s maybe, you know, like a skincare regimen, maybe like some chemical peels, just some lighter things.
Right.
Now, we always hear that sun obviously is damaging our skin. Is there anything else that we should be thinking about?
Yeah, so we always think about anything that could be harmful in general to your body as well. So smoking and excessive alcohol use also can really age the skin. And we definitely see that more so in the smoking side. Just because, again, you don't have that repair mechanism. So even if you have damage, maybe from the sun, maybe from just the elements being outside, you're not going to be able to repair it as well.
Sure. Okay, now here in Utah, obviously we have very dry weather. Are there any treatments you suggest viewers get during the fall and winter specifically?
Yes, definitely. Because it's so dry here, we really recommend a hydrofacial. So that's a hydrating facial, kind of combined into that name. And it really does help kind of rejuvenate the skin and kind of really plump up the skin, especially in those winter months when the furnace is on.
Yes.
And the other thing that I recommend is an IPL, which is called an intense pulse light. People also talk about it as a BBL, or a broadband light therapy. And what it is, it's going to kind of reset some of those dyschromias, or those dark colors that we see in the skin that happen from UV light over the summer. And so really into the fall and the winter months, that's a perfect time to come in. Oftentimes people are doing it once a year, maybe twice a year, again, just to really kind of address some of those pigments in the skin.
Sure, yeah, definitely here in Utah.
Yeah.
It's good to keep in mind.
Yeah.
Now, we are all our worst critics, right? So if we have someone watching at home thinking, you know, I'm a little upset that I am aging over, you know, in this area, or can somebody come in and can you kind of walk them through the process of, this might be a good option, this might be a good option, or what, you know, what would you tell viewers?
Yeah, I usually tell people, hey, we all age, right? We all have different things that we don't like about our faces or our skin, and we're very gentle with you when you come in to see us in consult, but we'd love to see you, and you can book on wardmd.com. You can also, on that website, you'll see our phone number, so you can always call in and schedule a consult with us.
Perfect. And what's great too is there's so many options. I mean, you have facial plastic surgery, chemical peels, Botox, you kind of have the gamut of it all. One more time, tell us that website where we can book an appointment right now.
wardmd.com.
Perfect. Great to see you both. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.